More stem cells, more regeneration, more repair of the heart, longer survival. Less stem cells, you're in trouble. Do foods stimulate stem cells? And the answer is yes.
Meet Dr. William Li. Dr. William Li, a world-renowned Harvard-trained medical doctor, researcher, and president, and the founder of the Angiogenesis Foundation. His work has led to more than 40 FDA-approved therapeutics and devices for cancer, cardiovascular disease, wound healing, and vision loss. He is also a New York Times best-selling author with Eat to Beet disease. Salads aren't just a side dish. They can be a cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle, offering a plethora of nutrients and antioxidants that support longevity. From vibrant Mediterranean flavors to Asian-inspired creations, there's a salad for every palate and dietary preference. In this exploration of longevity-promoting salads, we'll dive into 7 delicious and nutrient-packed options that not only tantalize the taste buds, but also nourish the body from within. So, join me on a culinary journey as we discover the top salads that can help you live longer and healthier. Before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Now let's begin. Number 1. Broccoli Sprout Salad. Broccoli sprouts are rich in sulforaphane, a compound known for its potential to support cellular health and regeneration. This salad combines broccoli sprouts with colorful vegetables like bell peppers, carrots, and red cabbage, creating a nutrient-dense medley rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Sulforaphane has been studied for its ability to activate cellular antioxidant defenses and promote detoxification pathways, potentially protecting against cellular damage and supporting longevity. Including broccoli sprouts in your diet regularly may enhance the body's natural ability to regenerate and maintain healthy cells. The vibrant colors of the vegetables indicate the presence of phytonutrients, such as carotenoids and flavonoids, which have been linked to reduced inflammation and improved cellular function. Topped with a light vinaigrette dressing made with extra virgin olive oil and lemon juice, this salad offers a refreshing and flavorful way to support cellular health and promote longevity. Number 2. Spinach and Kale Salad with citrus. Spinach and kale are nutrient-rich leafy greens packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and cellular function. Citrus fruits like oranges or grapefruits provide additional vitamin C, which is essential for collagen synthesis and immune function. This salad combines the nutritional powerhouses of spinach and kale with the refreshing tang of citrus fruits, creating a vibrant and flavorful dish. Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, scavenging free radicals and protecting cells from oxidative stress, potentially supporting cellular regeneration and longevity. The inclusion of walnuts or almonds adds healthy fats and omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may further support cellular health. Incorporating this salad into your diet regularly provides a delicious way to nourish your body with essential nutrients and support overall well-being. Number 3. Mixed berry and walnut salad. Berries are rich in antioxidants, including anthocyanins and vitamin C, which help protect cells from oxidative damage and support cellular health. Walnuts are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may support brain health and cellular function. This salad combines a variety of berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, with crunchy walnuts and leafy greens like arugula or spinach, creating a delicious and nutrient-rich dish. The vibrant colors of the berries indicate the presence of phytonutrients, which have been linked to various health benefits, including improved cognitive function and reduced inflammation. Tossed with a light vinaigrette dressing made with extra virgin olive oil and balsamic vinegar, this salad offers a refreshing and flavorful way to support cellular health and promote longevity. Number 4. Turmeric Quinoa Salad. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which may support cellular health and regeneration. Quinoa is a complete protein source, providing all 9 essential amino acids necessary for cellular function and repair. This salad combines turmeric-spiced quinoa with colorful vegetables like bell peppers, carrots, and cucumber, creating a flavorful and nutrient-rich dish. Curcumin has been studied for its potential to activate cellular defense mechanisms and promote detoxification pathways, supporting overall cellular health and longevity. Including turmeric in your diet regularly may help protect cells from oxidative stress and support cellular regeneration. Topped with a tangy turmeric dressing made with extra virgin olive oil and lemon juice, this salad offers a delicious and nutritious way to incorporate ingredients that support cellular function and overall well-being. Number 5. Mediterranean chickpea salad. Chickpeas are a rich source of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, which are crucial for cellular function and overall health. This salad combines chickpeas with fresh vegetables like tomatoes, cucumbers, and olives, creating a Mediterranean-inspired dish bursting with flavor and nutrients. The inclusion of extra virgin olive oil and lemon juice in the dressing provides heart-healthy fats and antioxidants, which may support cellular health and protect against oxidative damage. The Mediterranean diet, characterized by an abundance of fruits, vegetables, legumes, and olive oil, has been associated with numerous health benefits, including reduced inflammation and improved cardiovascular health. By incorporating this salad into your diet regularly, you can nourish your body with essential nutrients and support overall well-being and longevity. Number 6. Seaweed salad. Seaweed is a nutrient-rich sea vegetable that is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are essential for cellular health and regeneration. This salad combines seaweed with crunchy cucumber, sesame seeds, and a tangy sesame ginger dressing, creating a flavorful and nutritious dish. Seaweed is particularly rich in iodine, a mineral that is essential for thyroid function and cellular metabolism. Additionally, seaweed contains fucoxanthin, a unique antioxidant that has been studied for its potential to support cellular health and promote longevity. Including seaweed in your diet regularly may help protect cells from oxidative damage and support overall cellular function. Topped with a zesty sesame ginger dressing, this salad offers a delicious and satisfying way to incorporate seaweed into your diet and support cellular health and longevity. Number 7. Beet and arugula salad. Beets are rich in nitrates, which have been shown to support cardiovascular health and improve blood flow, potentially benefiting cellular function and regeneration. This salad combines roasted beets with peppery arugula, tangy goat cheese or feta, and a balsamic vinaigrette dressing, creating a colorful and flavorful dish. The vibrant color of beets indicates the presence of betalains, which are potent antioxidants that may protect cells from oxidative stress and support overall cellular health. Arugula is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants like chlorophyll and carotenoids, which may help protect against cellular damage and promote longevity. By incorporating this salad into your diet regularly, you can nourish your body with essential nutrients and support overall cellular health and well-being. These salads offer a delightful array of flavors and textures while providing essential nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber that promote overall health and longevity. By incorporating these vibrant salads into your regular meal rotation, you'll not only enjoy delicious and satisfying meals, but also nourish your body with the ingredients it needs to thrive. Whether you're savoring the Mediterranean freshness, indulging in the earthy richness of beets and goat cheese, or delighting in the Asian-inspired fusion of flavors, each bite brings you closer to a longer, healthier life. So why not start today? Embrace the goodness of these salads and take a flavorful journey toward a brighter, healthier future.